Everyone will have creators turn passion into profit. In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorials. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experience to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, writers, and podcasters and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So this is what is Patreon, and you can just get started right now by just diving in to patreon.com and you'll find this page. Then you have just to click on get started and you write your email address and your password. Then if you already have an account and you wanna find it, you have just to click over login and then you write your email address and your password and you get started with Patreon. So then you click over continue. Once you do that, you will find an enter password. So I will write my password. Then you click over continue. Then you will find this page, or let's say in the home page. Here we have various things. First of all, in the home page we have here your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. And then some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. First of all, you have to add a profile photo as I did. And then we have here describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. So about this one, you can just click over here and you write your intro video. Then we have your bio, add a short bio to let people know more about who are you, what you create, and why you. You have just to add a short bio to let people know more about who are you and what you create and what you are on Patreon. So about this one also we have social. How people find you wherever you are, connect your other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. We have here YouTube. I connected with YouTube. I use it. You can also use Instagram. You can just click over connect, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, and you click over save. This is about the describe your page. Then we have here make your first public post. So before let's read this information, let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. You can just click over here and you choose and you select the type that you want. For example, text, video, audio, image, link, poll. Then we have publish your page here. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then we have tell people also share your page with your audience so people can start joining. So let's come back here to make your first public post. We have let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. So you can just select the type you want. For example, I will select text or video, audio, image, link, poll, live stream also. So for example, I will choose this one. Once you choose this one, you will find other page which is this one. So we have here create text post. For example, we have to add a title. Then you have also why do you create. For example, here I will write selling products. Then if we come back here, why do you create? For example, I will write to earn money. Then you click over attachment and you upload your image, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you'll find here some product who can access this post. You can choose public, paid members only, or other things. Then we have here set a release date, then also allow comments on his post, then notify members when this post goes live. Then you click over publish if you want. So that's about this one, make your first public post. Then we have here also collection. You have just to click over create collection. You add your title and description also, then you click over create collection. Also we have your membership. About this one, we have built your paid membership. The first one, income you can count on, earn requiring income from your biggest fans. Then we have start with what you have, offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have grow your creative business, get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats, and more. Then you click over get started. So once you do that, you will find this page, new tire. Then you will find this page. You have to choose what to offer, what benefits should I offer. You have first bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting, then we have early access. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here customize tire firstly. Name, tire your name, then we have monthly price, then we have here tire description, describe the benefits and exclusive content people can expect to get when they join. Then we have cover image here, add cover image. Then we have tire's benefits, let your members know what they can expect from this membership tire. Then we have your trial here, allow members to try this tire for 7 days before charging them. You have here currently available to selected creator accounts. Then we have here advanced also tire settings. Firstly, ask members for a shipping address in the checkout. Then we have limit the number of members who can join this tire also. For example, here, because I am famous, I will just choose 1 million person. Then we have here Discord access. Manage Discord access in Discord settings. Then we have configure paid sales tax on your tire is configurable when you have added 2 or more. And then click over save. So let's come back to the home page. So this is how it works with Patreon. You can just get started. We have here also library, audience, insights, payout.